Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. A vast field stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with earthy brown potatoes buried in rich soil. A farmer carefully lifts one from the ground. It's ordinary, unassuming, yet full of potential. Now, picture that same potato, only a few hours later, transformed into a thin, golden, perfectly crispy chip, glistening with a sprinkle of salt, ready to crunch in your mouth. How does something so simple undergo such a remarkable transformation? How does a humble vegetable become one of the most irresistible snacks in the world? Today, we're taking you on a journey inside a modern potato chip factory, a place where precision meets creativity, where science meets flavor, and where thousands of potatoes go on a magical transformation. From the moment they arrive at the factory to the moment they tumble into a bag and finally reach your hands, every step is a fascinating process of washing, peeling, slicing, frying, seasoning, and quality control. But this is not just a story about machinery and efficiency. It's a story about how attention to detail, advanced technology, and a little bit of culinary magic combine to create the snack millions of people love every day. So buckle up, because what you're about to see is the incredible journey of a potato chip, inside the factory, behind the scenes, and through every step of its transformation.
Before the first crunch, before the sound, the flavor, and the craving, there is a journey most people never see. It begins far away from supermarkets and snack aisles, in quiet fields where potatoes grow slowly beneath the soil, untouched, unnoticed, waiting. At first glance, they are nothing special, rough, dusty, imperfect. Yet hidden inside each one is the potential to become something millions of people recognize instantly. This is not luck, it is not simple cooking, and it is definitely not accidental. Inside a modern potato chip factory, time, temperature, and motion are controlled down to the smallest detail. Machines never sleep, conveyor belts move endlessly, water roars, blades spin, oil boils, and cameras watch every second. Thousands of potatoes enter this system every hour, and none of them leave the same. What looks like a simple snack is actually the result of precision engineering, food science, and decades of refinement. Every curve of a chip, every shade of gold, every single crunch you hear has been carefully designed. As potatoes flow through steel tunnels and massive machines, they are washed, peeled, sliced, and transformed at incredible speed. Thin slices fall like paper into bubbling oil, where seconds make the difference between soft and perfectly crisp. Seasonings follow, coating each chip while it's still warm, locking flavor into every bite. There are no shortcuts here. Sensors measure oil quality, cameras reject imperfect chips, humans monitor what machines cannot. This is a place where efficiency meets obsession and where consistency is everything. By the time a chip reaches your hand, its journey is already complete, sealed in a bag, shipped across cities and countries, ready for a moment that lasts only a few seconds, the crunch. And yet, behind that single bite is a process that never stops, never slows down, and never allows mistakes. This is the hidden world behind your favorite snack. This is the inside of a modern potato chip.